difference between people who spend money, right, and people who invest money.
I always wanted to ask you, I mean, you can easily afford a nice car. Why didn't you buy one?
Number one, because in my job, right, sometimes it's quite intense. Yeah, so I'll be very exhausted at the end of the day. I don't want to drive a car and get myself killed. So having Grab, Uber, all this is more suitable for me. Then the second thing is more of a time reason, right? If I book a Grab, I don't really have to spend time cleaning the car, worry about this my car, where to park my car, and so on. So at this stage of my life, I think time is expensive. So I want to save time. Third thing is got to do with money. For example, right now, every day, if I travel to and fro from my office to my house, right, I think it's about $20+ per day, to and fro. And assuming that I work 30 days, right, 20 times 30 is $600. So $600 is my cost to travel back and forth office. If I own a car, I think easily maybe 800 to 1,000. And there's a lot of things you worry, the insurance, road tax, car park, all this add up, I suppose about maybe 1,000. So every month I could easily save 400. Yeah, not only I save 400, I save time, right? So again, what can I do this 400? Remember, right, in our previous video, we said that every $100 you can invest in S&P 500.